Triphala Health Benefits, the Ayurvedic herb for body wellness. Today we are going to talk about Triphala. Triphala is a revered herbal formula in Ayurveda. It has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for overall health and well being. The name Triphala translates to three fruits as it is composed of three potent ingredients: amla, haritaki, and bibitaki. This powerful blend offers a wide range of health benefits from improving digestion to boosting immunity and promoting longevity. Now, in this video today, I will explore the remarkable health benefits of Triphala with you, and yes, you can incorporate into your daily life for optimal wellness that I'm going to share with you. Let's talk about the three powerful ingredients of Triphala. Each of the three components in Triphala has unique medicinal properties. First is the amla. In the scientific name, it is known as Amblycca officinalis, the immunity booster. Rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and essential nutrients. It strengthens the immune system and protects against infections, support digestion, enhance metabolism, promote skin and hair health as well. Number 2 is Haritaki, Termelia cebula, that is the detoxifier. Known as the king of medicines in Ayurveda, helps in detoxification by cleansing the digestive system. Act as a natural laxative, preventing constipation, improves your brain function and enhances cognitive abilities as well. Number 3 is the Bibitaki, Termellina bellerica, the respirator healer. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, support respiratory health by clearing out the mucus and congestion, helps in weight management by improving fat metabolism, strengthens your hair follicles and prevent premature graying. Let's talk about the health benefits of Triphala one by one as you have known about these three. Let's talk about Triphala's diverse medicinal properties, making it a diverse herbal remedy for numerous health concerns. Here are some key benefits. Number 1 is aids digestion and gut health. Triphala is a natural digestive tonic that helps regulate bowel movements. It enhances the secretion of digestive enzymes, improves nutrient absorption, and relieves common digestive issues like bloating, acidity, and constipation. Number 2 is support detoxification and cleansing. The detoxifying properties of Haritaki helps eliminate toxins from the body, promoting liver function and purifying the blood. Now, this makes Triphala an excellent remedy for those looking to cleanse their system naturally. Number 3 is enhance immunity and fight infections. Due to its high vitamin C content and antioxidant properties, Triphala strengthens the immune system, helping the body to fight off infections, colds, and flu. It also has antimicrobial properties that protect against harmful bacteria and viruses as well. Number 4 is promote healthy skin and hair. Triphala is often used in Ayurvedic beauty treatments due to its ability to enhance skin and hair health. Now it helps to reduce acne, pigmentation, and signs of aging. The presence of amla nourishes your hair follicles, prevents hair fall, and promotes hair growth. Number 5 is regulates blood sugar level. Yes, studies suggest that Triphala may help regulate body blood sugar level by improving insulin sensitivity. It is very beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at the risk of developing the condition. Number 6, it is also supporting of your eye health. Triphala is traditionally used to improve eyesight and reduce eye strain. It contains antioxidants that protects the eyes from oxidative stress, cataracts, and age-related vision issues. Number 7 is by helping in weight loss. Yes, by improving digestion and metabolism, Triphala helps in effective weight management. It reduces cravings, eliminates toxins, enhances fat metabolism, making it a great addition to a weight loss regimen. Number 8 is reduce stress and improve mental clarity. Triphala has an adaptogenic properties that helps the body to cope up with stress and anxiety. Now, it also supports cognitive function and improves memory, making it beneficial for mental well being. Now, the question arises how to use Triphala. Triphala is available in various forms, including powder, churn, capsules, and tablets. Now, here is how you can incorporate into your routine. Number one is as a powder, churn. Mix 1 tablespoon or teaspoon of Triphala powder in warm water and drink it before bedtime or early in the morning. Number 2 is as a tablet or a capsule. Take 1 to 2 Triphala tablets or capsules daily with water as per the recommended dosage. Number 3 is as a tea. Boil Triphala powder in water, let it cool and drink it as an herbal tea as well. Number 4 is for skin and hair. Mix Triphala powder with honey or yogurt and apply it as a face or a hair mask as well. Now, as you know that Triphala is there for you to help. Now, it is a time-tested Ayurvedic remedy that offers a multitude of health benefits. From improving digestion and detoxifying the body to boosting immunity, enhancing skin health as well, it is a truly holistic wellness solution. By incorporating Triphala into your daily routine, you can experience its powerful healing properties and achieve overall well-being. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you have liked about what is Triphala and known about what are the benefits of it. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe to my channel as well and hope you will see in the next video.